In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to void a bill in Xero. By the end, you'll understand exactly how to remove an unwanted or incorrect transaction from your records while keeping a clean audit trail. Voiding is different from deleting. It preserves a record for compliance, but takes the transaction out of your balances and reports. Keep in mind that voiding is permanent, so only proceed when you're certain. Start by signing in and heading to your Xero homepage. From here, we'll follow the standard workflow shown in the demo environment. First, open the sales area. This is where you manage outgoing invoices you've issued. Next, go into Invoices to see the full list. To ensure you're working with an approved but unpaid item, switch to the Awaiting Payment tab. This view shows invoices that are authorized and not yet settled, which is exactly what you need to void. Find the invoice you intend to remove and open it. Take a moment to confirm you've selected the correct one. Check the customer, date, amount, and any references. If there have been any payments or credits applied, you won't be able to void until those are removed. So verify the balance is still outstanding. In the invoice screen, look to the top right corner for the three-dot More Options menu. Click that to reveal additional actions. Choose Void from the list. Xero will ask you to confirm, since voiding can't be undone. Review the details one last time, and when you're ready, confirm by selecting Void again. Xero will immediately update the status to voided and exclude the transaction from your accounts receivable and financial reports while retaining a record for your audit trail. That's the full process. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. If you're following along to correct a simple mistake, voiding is usually the quickest and cleanest option. If you need to replace the transaction, you can recreate a corrected version afterward. If you've already sent the document to a customer, consider notifying them so your records and theirs stay aligned. And if your role doesn't allow you to void, you may need a user with the appropriate permissions to complete the action. Although today's demonstration runs through the sales invoices workflow, the concept of voiding is similar when you're dealing with bills you've received. The key idea is the same. Locate the approved unpaid item, open it, use the More Options menu, and confirm the void. Thanks for watching, and take care when voiding to keep your books accurate and compliant.